Earthquakes, tornadoes, floods, and hurricanes leave us without running water, gas, and electricity. Quickstove was born because we saw a need to provide affordable but reliable camping and emergency preparedness cooking solutions. We designed this emergency cook kit to provide you and your loved ones with the assurance that you will have a way to cook food and boil water in any situation. The Quickstove Cook Kit includes a custom stainless steel pot with a sturdy handle that locks the lid down for easy transportation. The lid can also be used as a cooking pan, eating plate, or flipped upside down while cooking to be used as a double boiler. When not in use, the pot holds the stove and 2 fuel discs for easy transportation as a self-contained kit. The cube stove weighs less than a pound and is made of durable steel, which makes the stove strong enough to support any size pot or pan you would like to use. The stove is optimized to burn the Quickstove fuel discs, but easily burns other fuel sources like hexamine fuel tablets, sterno cans, wood, charcoal, and alcohol burners. When using the provided pot and fire starters, you can boil 4 cups of water in under 4 minutes. The fuel disc is made of cedar and wax and will burn for 25 to 35 minutes. The fuel disc is essential for emergency preparedness because it is waterproof and because it can be stored for years without going bad. We hope you never have to use this emergency cook kit, but in the event that you do, you will be prepared to cook food, boil water, and provide heat in any situation.
Campfire is a magic that unites people after sunset. The evolution of technology for the past 100 years brought us comfort, convenience, and well-being. You could not imagine living without proper lighting in your car, in the streets, or at home. Lighting has become a commodity you come to expect at every corner. But lighting can be so much more than just a necessity. This is why we invented Lunar. We bring convenience, well-being, warmth, comfort, and serenity, together with a unique system for a brand new experience. Lunar is your perfect companion for indoor and outdoor adventures with 3 different modes to fit any situation. When used as a lantern, Lunar's intensity can be easily adjusted the way you would with a traditional gas lantern. Lunar also makes it easier to power all your accessories via USB. Tune your lantern to the perfect level of brightness, from a romantic glow to a powerful yet golden blaze. Keep the fire on for up to 240 hours, and don't worry about the rain. Lunar is fully waterproof. When you need it most, Lunar acts as a power bank and helps you charge your phone and keep you in touch with the rest of the world. Once it is time, it will ease your sleep with its glow-in-the-dark feature, making it easier to find your lamp in the night. Ready for adventures? Lunar accompanies you everywhere. It takes a few seconds only to switch to the torch mode and have a powerful light to help you lead the way. Use the zoom, make it fit your specific needs, and change the glowing range. Switch to the compact mode to conveniently attach Lunar and bring light all around you as you walk. What better way to remain safe and hands-free? Make your everyday life an adventure and bring the warm feeling of campfire back home with you.
When you're trying to go as fast and light as possible, obviously weight is a huge factor. But days like that also demand that you stay fully hydrated so that you can consistently be performing at your best. Those two things really conflict because water adds a ton of weight. We designed the TrailShot microfilter to help you save weight. Essentially, it gives you a full day's water supply at a mere 5 ounces and fits in your pocket. When I trail run, I like to carry 2 small water bottles. When those are empty, I can use the TrailShot filter to drink directly and instantly from a stream along the trail. Then I can quickly fill up my bottles with clean water and get going again. Or if I'm wearing a hydration pack, I can connect it straight to my hose and fill up my reservoir. The TrailShot filter is so tiny, it fits in a stash pocket alongside my bars. And it's quick to deploy. You just drop the pre-filter in the water and start filtering. It treats a liter of water in 60 seconds. The TrailShot filter uses hollow fiber technology that meets the highest standards for removing protozoa, like Giardia and Cryptosporidium, and bacteria, like E. coli and Salmonella, so you have reliable water all along your journey. The filter cartridge has a 2,000-liter lifespan, depending on water conditions, which for me is seasons of water. At MSR, our goal is to design products for simplicity and functionality, giving you everything you need and nothing you don't.
This is the GDC Zip Light Plus, part of the new Gerber Daily Carry collection. It's a compact, lightweight, momentary on LED light and a solid stainless steel bottle opener. Attach this to the zipper of your jacket or your pack and be ready for whatever problems come your way. This is the GDC Zip Light Plus.
Climbing high is always worth it. In a beautiful outdoor, a man needs his time alone. But reaching up isn't always that easy. There are some unexpected challenges. The challenges that you have never even thought of. Every step of the climb
Hi, hon.
Hey, honey. What?
Give me a chicken teriyaki salad with bacon, chopped tomatoes, and Parmesan on top. Oh, and don't forget my usual sauce.
Sauce? What sauce? Busted, maybe.
Every step of the climb is an important one. At last, standing on the top of the world as a man who overcame everything on the way. Literally everything.